Okay, we're headed into the final stretch. We're taking the pot out of the oven now, and we're turning the oven off. Always the ta-da moment. Look at that. Just opened wide up. And it's cut just about as deep as the slashes is how much it's spread. Now we're going to do something a little different. We're taking baking sheets, put it in the oven, and we're going to put this pot back. Now we're going to turn the oven back on. We're going to set it to 410. Start 395. As soon as it hits 410, I'm going to put 24 minutes on the clock. Right? 24 minutes baking at 410. We'll see you in 25 minutes.